And now we have a special participation from student Ziyad Ahmed Abu Talib.
Hello everyone, my name is Ziyad Abu Talib and I'm a student at Al Secondary School. And now today I'm just going to talk about what makes them special. Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Albert Einstein, Leonardo da Vinci, William Shakespeare, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Lionel Messi. All of these names are names of prominent, well-known, successful people. And we all know that they're special, but have you ever asked yourself what makes them so special? And have you ever asked yourself what is the difference between you and Steve Jobs or between you and J.K. Rowling? To answer these questions, we have to know what is our perspective of being special and what are the ways that everyone suggests in order to become special. The idea of being special that we took from our parents, which is in order to become prominent in the community, we should study hard and then work as a doctor or an engineer so we get titles for our names and get a high salary in addition to the respect of the people around us. Well, actually, this idea is not completely true. What this way does is it makes you so ordinary, not special at all. We can see clearly that those people and others from the 1% did not follow this rule. Then, does this mean that our mindset of being special and unique and how we built it is totally wrong? When I read, watched, and looked into the biography of two successful people, I figured that there's something in common between them. Even though their feats and majors are totally different, but they all have something in common. They all challenged themselves. They all wanted to prove that there is another way of being successful, not the same way everyone chooses to take. They didn't want to end up as regular people working in regular places. So they all followed their passion, they all followed their God, and they all did not fear change at all. Change is a single word that can alter someone's life. It is the only word and the secret key they used in order to become ordinary people. There's something in business I read about one day. It's a concept about losing. It's called sunk cost. It's a cost that has already been incurred and cannot be recovered. To simplify this concept, let's imagine that you bought a house that cost $100,000. And someone told you that its price will get down after a couple of months. So in the next month, the price dropped to $50,000. And you already know that the price will drop down more. Now, will you sell that house or not? If you say no, then after 3 months at least, your house will cost $10,000 only. And by then, you'll lose a lot more than if you sold it when it was $50,000. Actually, this example is related to our ordinary decisions. You know, let's suppose that you're a med student and you hate medicine a lot, but spend 4 years studying in medicine. Now, will you change your major or not? If you say no, I'll endure and graduate from medicine, and then it's okay, even though I hate medicine, but I'll graduate. If you think that way, if you're thinking that the 4 years is a big loss, then I'm sorry, my friend, but you're going west. And trust me, you'll regret this decision your whole life. But if you change your major and follow your passion, you'll succeed and become who you really are. You know, just compare the 4 years you spend doing the things you hate with your whole life. These 4 years are not a big deal. We can see clearly that in the future, if you change your major, you'll succeed and become who you really are and shine like a star. Follow your passion. Follow the thing that shows your spark. If you have a very well-studied plan to reach your passion, then work on it and do it. What are you waiting for? Don't stop. Don't let the others decide your fate. And don't be like the others. If you're not satisfied and if you know that this version of you was not the real you, then stop and change it. Even if you spent years of studying in a major you didn't like, or you spent years working in a job you're not comfortable with, stop doing it and change it. Change it to the major that lets you follow your passion. Change it to the major that makes you shine. Become the real you, and you will be special. So change is good. Change, depending on planning, is the best. But do we have the power to change? And can you change yourself and become who you really are? And can you join the 1% and become special? Thank you very much for listening, and I wish you all success.
Thank you, Ziyad. Of course, Ziyad is from Al Ahad Secondary School. Congratulations, Ziyad. You deserve it. Thank you very much. Have a seat, yes.